একজন আসছে ওখানে।
It's a fantastic, it's an awesome experience. Actually, first time we have visited here, Shanghai, yeah, flavor of Chinatown, and the food was extremely good. And whatever the menus today I ordered, it's a fantastic. Like the mojito and the chicken item. Bulgogi chicken. Yeah, bulgogi chicken. It's a fantastic. Overall, the store ambience, I mean the restaurant's ambience is fantastic. I think everyone should visit here. This is a awesome experience, and today is our special day, so we are here for celebrate. So actually today is our anniversary, so that's why I'm in here. And the ambience, the looks, and the hospitality, it's a fantastic. So this is all. Thank you so much. Sir, your first time visit, and in this tour I'm first time visited here. And before I visited. Thank you so much, sir.